Hello and welcome to Ticker Tapes. Today we're taking a look at the world of high growth stocks. Another week and we've had another installment of the Elon Musk show to entertain us. Musk's takeover of Twitter is proceeding as planned, according to senior executives at the social media group who met with staff members last week. The firm's top lawyer told employees that Twitter won't renegotiate the sale price and that there was no such thing as the deal being on hold. Tesla shares sold off by 6.42% on Friday in response, and they did not rally into Friday's close as many other stocks did. Some shareholders are getting restless and are calling for buybacks from Tesla. Chinese-American businessman Liu Kogwan, the chair and co-founder of hardware maker SHI International and a large shareholder in Tesla, is reported to have called for $5 billion of share purchases from the EV maker, suggesting that the company could afford to buy its stock out of the free cash flow generation rather than taking on any additional debt. Tesla has been removed from the S&P 500 ESG index, much to Mr. Musk's indignation. S&P excluded Tesla from its environmental, social, and governance benchmark because Tesla's overall ESG rankings had been falling, whilst those at other automakers were climbing. In response to the news, Mr. Musk tweeted that ESG has been weaponized by phony social justice warriors and that Tesla is doing more for the environment than any company ever. Microsoft says its bid to acquire video gaming company Activision Blizzard is moving forward relatively quickly, Microsoft's president Brad Smith told the Video Games Chronicle. Competition authorities are likely to review the $68.7 billion deal, which Microsoft hopes to close in the first half of 2023. French newspaper El Echo reports that UK and European regulators have already requested information on the bid from the software giant. Meanwhile, RBC Capital has retained its outperform rating on Microsoft following meetings with the company, which the Canadian bank says showed no slowdown in or change to the macro background or demand for Microsoft's services. The bank's analysts are increasingly confident about the growth runway for both the Azure cloud computing business and Microsoft's Office software range. American Airlines is the latest corporate customer to pick Azure as its preferred cloud computing platform. Consumers are also choosing Microsoft products over those of competitors, it seems, and sometimes in their own backyard. The company's Xbox S console comprehensively outsold the rival PlayStation 5 in Japan between the 9th and 16th of May, with more than 6,100 Xbox S consoles being sold across Japan compared to just 2,963 units for Sony's PlayStation 5. This was the first time that Xbox had outsold PlayStation Japan in 8 years, so it's probably too early to say that this is a turning point for Microsoft's gaming business in the Japanese market. However, it shows that the company's products can compete favorably with its Japanese rival.